So finally, this is how the CMF Phone 1 looks from the back. Initially we thought it would look like this, but CMF has officially posted an image of the phone along with some camera information. I must say this is a unique design for the camera island. We have seen a similar camera island on the Galaxy S21 series and I must say it looks good. We can also see the screws on the back of the phone which indicate that we may be able to change the back panel by unscrewing it. CMF has added some new and unique features to this phone such as the volume knob at the bottom and now this customizable back panel. Coming back to the camera specs, as I mentioned earlier, the company has now confirmed that the CMF Phone 1 features a Sony 50 megapixel camera with an f1.8 lens. It is designed to capture natural beautiful images. Advanced algorithms including Ultra XDR enhance your photos, making them bright and impressive regardless of the lighting conditions. This is a great choice by CMF for their first phone. CMF is gradually releasing the details of the phone leading up to the launch. Most recently, we received the official confirmation of the phone's CPU. In a video collaboration with Zach Nelson, also known as Jerry Rake, CMF is assembling the main board of the phone. In the video, we see the CPU, which is MediaTek processor, confirming previous rumors. The parent company Nothing has also confirmed that the CMF Phone 1 will come with a Dimensity 7300 CPU. About the CPU, as per MediaTek, this ultra-efficient 4nm chip offers best-in-class power efficiency and next-gen capabilities, ensuring effortless multitasking, transcendent capture, excellent performance and upgraded AI-enhanced computing. Moving on, and for those who don't know the other specs and what CMF is offering, let me tell you. First of all, the company has officially confirmed that the CMF Phone 1 will have a 6.67 inches Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, mentioning that it has a vibrant and lifelike colors with HDR10+ support and clear visibility in any lights with 2000 nits peak brightness. Looking at the specs, this phone is going to compete with some big brands in the budget range, including its own parent company's Nothing Phone 2A. The CMF Phone 1 also comes with a 5000 mAh battery and a 33-watt charging support, running Nothing OS 2.6 on Android 14 like the Phone 2A. Overall, the CMF Phone 1 looks good on paper and we hope to see similar specs and performance in the real life. So what do you think of the CMF Phone 1? Let me know in the comments below. With that being said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.